Tokona Podcast. I'm your host, We are now international. So, yeah, a huge shout out to the people watching our contents. Please spread the love, um, keep the masses educated, and yeah, let's grow the movement, man. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Okay, guys, so in today's show, we're just not going to talk much, but we're going to be discussing a very crucial matter, right? It is a very crucial matter. So today we're going to be talking, right, the eyesight or the vision of the spiritual realm, right? Okay, so the spiritual realm, right, in its vision or through its ways of communicating with us here in the physical realm, right? Which is the world, right? So they only connect us in three ways, guys, right? So it is one through dreams, and then it is two through visions, right? And then it is three, the third one through prophecies, right? So these things come in different forms, and then we sometimes do not understand that. But then today I'm just going to lay it out for you so that you get a clear understanding of these things, right? And then you know how to react or what to do in such cases or such matters. I mean, right? So let's start it off, guys. First thing is first. All right. I'm just going to be focusing on dreams, right? So so dreams, guys. Dreams are different, right? And there are many ways to explain dreams, but then in many forms, dreams are clear and specific, right? So in most cases, you find that people dream of things and then they start buying these things. Um, guys, okay, about that, right? Not saying it is wrong, but it is out of context, right? Because you cannot dream of something, seeing someone else um, carrying that thing or um, using it, and then you now uh, go and buy it. No, no, it doesn't happen like that, right? So in dreams, guys, dreams are specific, right? So there are different terms for different dreams, right? So in other instances and cases, ancestors respond differently to dreams, right? So for other people, okay, when it comes to dreams, right, dreams descend, right? Dreams descend upon two spirits, right? Which is the gifted spirit and then the natural spirit. Okay, so these spirits they differ, right? Um, ingago siba nama siba naba prophets, right? Um, so prophets are in both terms. They are the gifted prophets and then they are the natural prophets, right? So in dreams, it is also like that. It's also in that manner, right? So when the gifted spirit, right? When the gifted spirit now wants to send you dreams or wants to talk to you through dreams, they will act in a form of animals, or plants, or trees, or people in specific, just people that you don't know of, and then they come there, they talk to you, or or anything, right? So it depends on the dream, right? But then they come in form of animals, nature, and people, right? So the dreams differ now. It differs in the form of them showing you the dream. So it can be like, okay, say for instance, you now dreaming of say an animal or a human being attack you, right? So that dream is specific and it is clear that um someone or something is out there to get you, right? You being spiritually attacked, right? So it is clear and evident. And then say maybe you dream of, say maybe an animal chasing you. It is clear and it is evident, right? That there's something behind you or there's something chasing you. So dreams are clear and specific. Let's not confuse it, right? So now it comes in another form. Like when when something is given to you in a dream, right? It will be specific. The person or something will come and give you that thing, right? Um, there will be someone talking to you depending on that dream, right? They be like, take this for instance, and then you now wake up and go and buy it, right? And then consult before using it or before moving on forward, right? So that is how it is with the spiritual side, with the spiritual gifted spirits coming through dreams, right? So it's either a text or it's either you sitting down conversating or or you're being given things, right? Or you're being shown things, right? Because these people that um carry this gifted spirit, right? And then now it comes and teaches you plants, it shows you trees, it shows you where you need to go, what you need to do, and then most of your ways spiritually unlock, right? And then spiritually you grow depending on the spirit, right? So that is the gifted spirit. And then now moving on to the natural spirit, right? The natural spirit is now one that comes into your home. Say, for instance, in a household, we are like five, maybe five. Say there's a mother and a father, and then there's children, right? And then now the mother is the is the is the head of the home, right? I know you say the father is the head of the home, but now when it comes to the spiritual realm, the mother is the head of the home, right? And then now everything that is happening in that household or towards those people using the same ancestral uh, lineage, right? Now everything is shown to the mother, right? And then she comes there telling you, hey, I dreamt of this and this and this. Hey, I saw this. Oh, hey, hey. And then you have a problem. Say, for instance, you have a problem. Um, you and then you try talking to the mother or that person and say it is not necessarily a mother. It depends on the household and the one gifted in spirit, right? But we are all gifted and we can all dream, but then these two spirits are gifted to different people for different reasons, right? It can be either um the the provider or the protector of that household or certain lineage, right? Spiritual or ancestral lineage. So this person now will have dreams or will be shown of things allocated to someone in that space, right? In that environment. And then they will uplift, they will share, and then they will enrich, right? So this is just to help that person, say for instance you're in the dark and then like you don't get it. Yeah, your life is going up and down, up and down. You try this, it don't work out. You try that, it don't work out. And then now, you just stuck. You know, you stuck. You don't know what to do. You don't know where to go. Like everything is blocked, right? So you're in the darkness, and then now all of a sudden, um, your your or your brother or your sister or your mother or your grandmother, or your grandfather, anyone who has the spirit in the family now comes forward and shares with you that, hey, I had a dream. Um, I was sitting there and then I saw you. You were in the dark, and then there was someone or something, fighting with you or blocking you or those type of things, right? And then you now realize that's the problem, and then you get up and find the solution. But then the reality is that these spirits work hand in hand, right? So it is two spirits, but then yeah, they work with dreams and then they work with communicating through dreams. So in dreams, guys, ancestors, okay, they cannot all come forth and then share with you. They cannot do that. But what happens is that we all have spiritual guides. So they connect with the spiritual guide to share the problem or share the solution or shed light, right? And in the spiritual guide, your spiritual guide, because we all have different spiritual guides. That's why we can never finish our ancestral lineage. It is thousands and thousands of people, right? It is thousands and thousands of souls. That's why we can never change it or call upon all of them, right? Because they are different spirits. There's the clean ones, there's the bad ones, there's the good ones, there's the, like, it's many of them, right? There are many people who came before us using the same name. So it is your ancestors. And then we all have spiritual guides. And then those are the ones that come to us and share such messages through dreams, right? And then moving on, there's this thing that we call a vision. A vision is boniso, right? So visions work in different ways, right? It can be either through uh not sleeping necessarily, but just like closing your eyes for a bit and then boom, a vision passes by. Okay, or you're outside, or you're somewhere and just standing there, and then boom, the vision comes by. So that is also directed to a certain spirit, right? For both the natural people and the gifted people, it doesn't come for only the gifted people, but it happens on both sides of the living, right? And it caters for both spirits, right? You have to be giving about the river is. So it is upon that, guys, and then it is what conveys the message, right? So it is just to share message and to shed light and to shed understanding and to open up your faith on it. Okay, so that is it about vision, right? So these spirits both two differ. They both differ too, but they work hand in hand to share the vision or share the problem or share whatever that is supposed to be shared at that time. And, and then we have now the prophets or the prophecy, right? So for both for both parts, it works for the gifted and it works for the natural, the supernatural human beings, right? Yes, we are the gifted and it is the natural things, which we're not gifted spiritually, right? So prophecies, prophecies, there's someone who's powerful in prophecy. Like they can come there, share your problems, tell you what's going on, like without using anything, just to bring the mindset and everything, it clears. So it also works with spirits, right? There's a spirit upon him. There's offering the prophecies, the prophecies, the prophecies. Maybe you will find that your great grandmother, Ukoko, was a prophet, and then now she wants to pass on this gift to you, right? Or she has already given the gift to you, but then you're not aware. I mean, it so happens that you just prophesy, you just prophesy, you just prophesy. And then also on the natural thing, it is also the same thing. It's just that now on this side, it comes with the spiritual powers of it. And then this side, it's just natural, right? So all of these things, they both work hand in hand. And then the spiritual realm also works in hand to hand, guys. So that is the way uh, the, the ancestral realm or the spiritual realm connects with us in the physical realm, right? Besides that, there is no connection. There is no connection unless kunabantu besekadala now they now using certain powers, certain animals, certain medicines, traditional medicine, certain things to uplift, to awaken, not uplift, but to awaken spirits. And then it is now a problem because there is no faith and we are using powers. It's not natural.
not God-given, it's not natural. And then you're using powers outside. Mhlawumbe umuntu usebenzisa isipili thizeni, afika kulezi lezi and then they tell you everything. Those are powers, right? And then ekuhambeni kwesikhathi lezo zinto ziyashabalala, right? But it's different for us all. But what I just wanted to share today and undercoat was that these three, these are the ways that the ancestral one connects with us in the physical world. And besides that, amandla, bafuna amandla angaphezu kwabo. I mean, yes. So, so that's it, guys. That's it. Besides that, what else can I share? Let me see. Okay, let's talk about. Um, I would like to share about those, but it's not a matter. Okay, there are other ways, right? In the gifted spiritual side of things, right? Njengathi thina zangoma, njengathi thina kwelapha lendabuko, we now use bones. Bones are actually a communication bonding system, right? And then we now use Bible, singabathandazi, uvulivesi, iyashumayela, iyakhulumisa, right? So it just differs. It differs with the type of gift that you've been given, and then it works in hand to hand. But besides that, uqola namandla ekungawona wakho. And then when you die, you leave these things. Yeah. So siyithole la sizozishiya. And what I'd like to leave behind is a legacy. Is a legacy. I want you educated so you can be someone out there tomorrow. Don't stay in the dark. Don't let darkness hold you back. Don't let witchcraft hold you back. Don't let the evil doings of other people hold you back. Your life is upon your hands. You can fly. I believe in you. So yeah, man, that's it from me to you. I'm Dr. Prof. Mayemi Ngumi. And yeah, man, we're now international. Thank you, Zimbabwe. Thank you, Botswana. Thank you, Lesotho, for checking us all out. Please, guys, do follow us on all socials at Tobozile Mayeni Ngumi. That is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah. And then you can also check us out on TikTok at Mayeni Ngumi Media. And then, man, of course, you can watch these videos and more on our YouTube channel at Mayeni Ngumi Media. Same streamline. You can also send us a direct email in writing to gogomayengui at gmail.com. Or you can, of course, call us on 073 538 1402. For spiritual matters, spiritual problems, I'm your doctor, man. Whenever you need help, just shout. I'm only a call away. Love and light. Tami, Ilelu, Nye, Tokuzani.